Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Val and today I'm taking you on a little shopping trip at the DFC Mall here in Doha. We're going to be looking for some affordable makeup products, some new shoes for work, and also a little car window shopping. So let's get into the video. So we started off the day with a little bit of manifestation. We went into a random car showroom and tested out some cars. We wanted to feel the seats. We saw the interiors. Everything was great. Absolutely had fun here. For our next stop, we couldn't resist, but we just had to look at the Tesla. And guys, this car is amazing. The white interiors, absolutely love this car. Love it. Then we had to start the business of the day to look for some affordable makeup, so we started off at Kiko. After looking at Kiko, we decided to go to NYX, but on the way, there comes a promotion in Devon Homes. We couldn't resist, so we entered our happy place and we started looking around. So next up, we went to College Spring where we wanted to buy some new shoes for work. They also had a promotion there, so everything was going according to the plan so far. So finally, we now made it to NYX where I was so excited to try out their products. So I grabbed as many things as I could and started testing them out on my face. Ended up leaving with a whole full face of makeup because one of the staff was super friendly. She helped me to test out a whole lot of different products, including eyeshadow, which I don't normally do, but I enjoyed spending my time here. This was the final look. I love the look, so I thought it was flawless. I don't know, what do you guys think? So after all things were done, we were super hungry, so we went to grab something to eat by my Sunday sushi. And I was still filling my makeup. Our last shop was a furniture store where we needed to pick out a few items, and that was it for the day. It was time to go home. So finally, I want to just thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!